Welcome to Learn German Daily. This is a channel to help you learn German with native speakers from basic to advanced. Welcome to Lesson 1. Greetings. In German, the two most common greetings are Hallo and Guten Tag. You can use these two phrases at any time of the day. Repeat again. Hallo, Guten Tag. Also, we can say hello in the old-fashioned way. Grüß Sie when we need to speak formally, and Grüß dich when we speak informally. Again, Grüß Sie, Grüß dich. To say good morning, we say Guten Morgen. Repeat, Guten Morgen. To say good evening, we say Guten Abend. Again, Guten Abend. To say good night, we say Gute Nacht. Again, Gute Nacht. To ask about someone, we have the following ways. Wie geht es? Wie geht's? Wie läuft's? Alles gut? They all mean, how are you? Or, how is it going? In an informal way. Repeat. Wie geht es? Wie geht's? Wie läuft's? Alles gut? To ask formally, we would use Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? To answer, we say sehr gut, meaning very well. Repeat. Sehr gut. Or gut. Mir geht es gut, meaning I'm good. Again. Gut. Mir geht es gut. Or ich bin okay, meaning I'm okay. Repeat. Ich bin okay. Or nicht schlecht, meaning not bad. Again. Nicht schlecht. Or nicht so gut, meaning not so well. Repeat. Nicht so gut. Then we will ask the other in return. In an informal way, we ask und dir? Repeat. Und dir? To ask formally, we would use und ihnen. Again, und ihnen. Before ending a conversation, we will often say einen schönen Tag noch, meaning have a nice day. Repeat, einen schönen Tag noch. To say goodbye to someone face to face formally, we say Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. To say goodbye to someone on the phone formally, we say Auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören. To say goodbye in an informal way, both directly or on the phone, we say Tschüss. Again, Tschüss. Also, you can add Bis bald, meaning see you soon, and Bis später, meaning until later. Repeat. Bis bald. Bis später. And now you can look back on all that you have learned today. To receive the content of the next videos, please hit the like button, write comments and share to others. Thank you and goodbye. Tschüss.